So hello and welcome guys. So today in this video I am gonna first of all wanna say thank you so much for showing love in my previous video. But in today's video actually today I am going to give the water in my corn farm. So that is why I think this video is going to be very helpful for all you English learner. So that is why I want you to please watch this video completely because I am not just gonna water them, as well as it has lots of English sentences you will get to hear from me, right? So that is why please watch this video entirely so that you will get to know a lots of English sentences. Means I am not actually going to watering the plants, as well as I am going to teach a lots of English sentences, day-to-day English sentences, so that you can use it in your conversation or anywhere with or anyone with, right? So here I would say one thing. In my house I couldn't recording because in my house there were lots of people, so that is why I couldn't recording. So but now here I have come here outside from my house. As you can see, now I have some oil. It has 5-liter oil, as you can see, means diesel, and it's a hoe, right? It's a hoe, shovel or spade, you can call it. These are three names you can call it: hoe, spade or shovel, right? And and now I am going to show you the machine, as you can see, and this through I have to water my corn, right? Actually it's my uncle's, it has done to water them, but as you can see it's mine. It's a little version, it's mine, and as well as it's mine. So okay, I want you to, so I hope you will like this video, so please continue watching this video. So now I am going to stop this recording because I have to do a lots of work. As you can see, I am going to try to show you. So my first job is to get out of this pipe's water, as you can see, so that I can move this pipe this side, right? So that is why I am going to get out this water of this pipe, right? So before we doing anything, so first my job is to roll up my sleeves of my legs so that I can protect them from the wet slush, right? So now first I have to untie this knot, K-N-O-T, knot, right? So it's like, as you can see, okay, oh my god, it's so hard, but still I have to untie it. Okay, finally it's done, but it has another. Okay, I am going to move out. This is it, and it's a sick. It means bora. Did you know the meaning of this? I think you did not know, but yeah, after this video, so that is why I am saying, guys, please watch this video and you will got to know a lots of English sentences, right, related to farming. So as you can see, actually it's my daily, not daily life work, but yeah, sometimes I have to do, as you can see, after a couple of days. Earlier I had done this work, but still I have to do 15 or 20 days later I also have to do. Okay, so now I have to get out this water from this pipe. So okay, it has, so now I am going to end of this pipe. And now here I wanna show you, this is potatoes. So first one is potatoes, as you can see, and next one is also potatoes, again potatoes, and next is green leafy like lefa, and next is coriander, as you can see, and next is, I don't know what is this. Okay, and as you can see, but here I wanna say one thing, guys, I am not gonna show you entire job, right? I'm not gonna show you entire things whatever I am doing, but yeah, whatever I could, I am going to show you, right? So first, this is my end part, or you can see starting part, and from here I have to get the water from this pipe. Okay, so I am going to stop recording. Look, someone pets has eaten these plants, as you can see. So bad, as you can see. It has lots of hard work behind them, but someone's pets has eaten. So that's why it's so bad. So my corn design, as you can see, it's like a wavy, it's like a wave. And now I am going to show you some things. As you can see, there is a pipe and which through the water is come out. So now you might be wondering, so Nakul, why the water level is so down? So here I would say the machine is far away from here. So as you can see, here is, I am going to zoom out. Okay, so as you can see here, so that is why the water is less, as you can see. But yeah, anyway, it's good. So as you can see, it is done, and now I have cut there cut here to fill this field. So as you can see, but here I have a question to all of you guys. The place where you live at, so is there any cornfield? So please let us know in the comment below. But if I talk about mine here, so here is, so around me there are lots of cornfield you will get to see these days, as you can see. So everywhere is corn, as you can see. It's a huge cornfield, and now it's here is empty because it's a reverse part, as you can say, right? And this is another, and it's a field for cows and pets, and it's a bamboo jhari. I don't know jhari what this is called in English, but yeah, bamboo plant, as you can see. And again, that is corn. That is my uncle's. And the bit of this field is about to field, as you can see. But yeah, somewhere is a high place. So if the water cannot reach the higher place, so I have to forcibly water them, just like this. I am going to show you, just like this, because there is no apart from this, because there is no any alternative to give them water. So that is why I am going to water them. And if you had paid attention in my video earlier, I have showed you that what this is called in English. Okay, do you guess? Actually, its name is a hoe, or a spade, or shovel, you can say, right? But in Hindi we call it a kudal. And I have no slippers, but I had slippers, but I take off my slippers, as you can see. Slippers because it has two slippers, and that is why I call it slippers, right? And my leg slips rolled off, as you can see. I am going to show you a different thing. As you can see, it's a insect, but in my mother tongue I call it a baghua, but in English it's very difficult to talk. Okay, I am going to, actually I try to catch it, but it away from me. Okay, I try to. Okay, as you can see, I hold it. Okay, I try to show you. See. Okay, you are free, जाओ. ओए. This night, आज रात में मेरा नाक भर गई थी, ठीक है, यानी कि सर्दी पकड़ लिया था, नाक बंद हो गया था. This night my nose stopped up. Okay, so I am going to show you a very different plants, and which has lots of crumbs. As you can see, I am going to show you. As you can see, it has a lots of crumbs on it. As you can see, where is, yeah, is, and it's not too, and I should not touch it because crumbs can come in my finger. So that is a, oh my god. Okay, I leave it, and the water level is slow, very slow, so that is why it takes too long. I think one entire day will take to fill this water, right? So that is why I have to spend in this field entire day. So since you are free right now for a moment, so why not to teach some English sentences related to my funny muffler? Yes, so here I would say one thing. So if I have a proper specific muffler, so I can say it is my muffler, but this is another. So that is why I can call it a funny muffler, because I have wear this funny muffler instead of muffler, a specific muffler. So that is why I can consider it as a funny muffler, right? So in this way you also can, if you have a head on, so you can call it a head. But so my main motive is to learn English, so that is why whatever words or sentences comes in my mind, I am going to teach you, right? So now I have lots of questions related to my muffler, right? Funny muffler. So I am going to teach. So the sentence, so my first sentence would be, did you guys know what this is called in English earlier before I told you the name? Don't know. If you guys didn't, then I would say it's a funny muffler. You can call it instead of muffler, right? So as you already know, I have wear this funny muffler to protect from the cold, right? I am wearing this, या फिर I have wear this funny muffler टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम द कोल्ड, यानी कि ठंडे से बचने के लिए। यानी कि अगर आपको बनाना हो, यानी कि अगर आपको कहना को मैं ये फनी मफलर, यानी कि ये मफलर मैंने पहना हूँ ठंडी से बचने के लिए, तो कहोगे आई हैव वेयर, मैंने पहन चुका हूँ, आई हैव यार, या फिर आई एम वेयरिंग दिस मफलर और फनी मफलर टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम द कोल्ड। सो इन द वे यू कैन मेक अ लॉट्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस रिलेटेड टू दिस सेंटेंस, like if I have, like suppose if I have a sweater on my body, then I can make a sentence related to this sentence, and that would be I am wearing this sweater to protect from the cold, मतलब कि मैं ये स्वेटर पहना हूँ ठंडी से बचने के लिए, ठीक है। and in this way you can make lots of sentences, and the technique is called shadowing technique. yes, आपने you might have heard lots of, and you might have watched lots of English videos, and you have heard this meaning or sentences that shadowing technique. So that is called shadowing technique. Means if you watch or if you get to see anything, try to make it sentences related to this object, right? Like now I get to watch this cornfield, right? As you can see. So now here I can make any sentences related to this corn farm, right? So it's like, okay, I am going to make a sentence related to this farm. So the sentence would be, I can say, do you have, like in the place where you live at, यानी कि वो जगह, यानी कि उस जगह पर जहाँ पर आप रहते हो, क्या वहाँ पर भी इस तरह का कॉर्नफील्ड होता है? तो ये चीज़ आप इस तरह से बना सकते हो। And English, if I would say this sentence, then I would say, the place where you live at, is there any cornfield like this? So it's kind of sentences you can also make, and that is the technique is called shadowing technique, and it's very helpful if you are if you are implement in your daily life. In order to learning English, it's very helpful, this technique, right? By the way, even I don't know how to speak fluent English, but yes, I am doing this. As you already know, I am doing these things to improve my fluency, right? So that is why don't take it seriously, right? It's not just enjoying, also I am learning English through this technique or through this mimicry or whatever you call it. Hey, hello guys. Because of the sunny day, means this morning it's foggy, but right now the sun has come out, so that is why I feel warm and hot. So that is why it's very difficult to keep wearing. So that is why now I am going to put off. Yes, now I have put off my furry muffler, and I put it on my pocket, right? And here I wanna teach you some English sentences. Because of the sunny day, I have to put off my muffler, right? Now I wanna show you a strange thing. As you can see, here I have water, but after a moment, but after 1 hour, as you can see, here's water has completely absorbed because of sand mixed soil. That is why here's water has completely absorbed, and one is absorb. So do you know the difference between absorb and absorb? Absorb, that means here I have water, right? See? As you can see the place, here I have water after a moment, after a couple of moments ago, but now here's water has gone. So that is why, so instead of gone, I can use absorb. And next is absorb. And absorb, that means if I suppose, let's say if I wanna say, in order to learn English, you have to, or you should observe my hand movement, and you, in order to learn English, you should observe my mouth observation. Means the way I am speaking, means it's very important to observe my hand movement or mouth movement or body movement in order to learn English. So that is how you can use observe. So I hope you got the answer. Actually I don't know how to speak in English in a proper way, so that is why I am uncomfortable talking about this kind of, होता है ना, विचित्र चीजें, strange things. Hey guys, तब Hey guys, my lunch has come now, as you can see. My lunch has come and I'm really hungry. I'm so starving because in this morning I haven't had anything, so that is why I'm really hungry. And now it's time to take lunch. Now it's time to have lunch now, and I'm going to show you the vegetable, what kind of vegetable they have cooked. It has eggplant and potatoes and coriander, and it a banana, green leafy vegetable. It's sito, and it's a rice, and it's chili. Where is? It's chili, mortisana, and it's water. So now it's time to start eating. Guys, really, lunch was really delicious, and now she is doing the dishes. That means if any girl is washing the dishes, then you can use the correct word, and that is doing the dishes. And she is drinking water to fulfill her thirsty. Come, you go. Yeah. So guys, now I am going to show you the another. Where? So guys, now I am going to show you the another equipment or tools. As you can see, this is a pen in my mother tongue, but in English, sorry, I don't know the name of this in English. Okay, but filal, this is called pen, and this is for this. If I have to directly move, then and it's through, I can move, right? My stomach is full. I am full. That means I am full. Means my stomach is full. Means I fulfilled my hungry. Yet now it's time to take care of where is full, and where is empty, right? So now I am going to show you some unnecessary plants. So as you can see, here is a lots of unnecessary plants, and now I am going to kill them, right? So that it can help to grow. So that is why I am going to kill them. Okay. By dragging, I have to kill them, right? So as you can see, but not everywhere, but somewhere. As you can see, here is available the unnecessary plants, but here is deer. So as you can see, the place is deer. It's okay, but where is a lots of unnecessary plants, then I have to kill it by dragging like this, right? As you can see. Okay, so now I am going to show you a bird. As you can see, I don't know who has killed them. It was there and I got it. Actually, I was walking and I got to see this died. So again, I have wear this sweater to protect from the cold, because the weather is going to dark. So that is why I am feeling cold, and that is why I have wear this sweater to protect from the cold. And as well as I am gonna show you my hair. As you can see, it has grown. It has too much grown. So that is why. So tomorrow or the next day probably I have to go to the barber shop to get my hair cut. As you can see, it has grown too much. And by the way, my work is about to done, because it has only one bit of my field to fill with water. As you can see, this one, as you can see, this one is empty, but apart from this, everywhere I have given water. As you can see the water, right? Here. Hey. Okay, I think this one is complete, and move to the next one. So guys, now I am going to show you these potatoes. These plants adopt potatoes, as you can see, but now it is little version, but after a couple of days it's gonna big version, right?